Hello there, lovelies. It's Patty from Giddy Things, and I am unboxing today. I already got a FabFitFun box, and I didn't do an unboxing on that because there just were a few things and I didn't know how interested folks would be. But it wasn't a whole FabFitFun subscription box. It was just a few pieces. What I ended up doing, because I love FabFitFun, and I'm not going to do that again next year. I think I said that in another video, but I just wanted to try it out for a year, and it was great. It's a little spendy, but here's the thing that I came across is not every time that FabFitFun does a box do they actually have items that I'm interested in. But what was cool was they allowed me to exchange a box from the subscription for credit, and then I just spent the credit on things that I liked from the sale that they were having in their regular kind of store. So that was interesting. And I ended up I don't even know how it looks right now, but the gloss that I'm wearing is an Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss. So let me see if I can find it real quickly. Where to put it? Here it is. It looks like this. I can't see, so I don't know if you can either. It's really pretty. Her products are pretty, and they're really pretty expensive too. And this was a good deal. This is Cantaloupe is the color. And let me see if there's any special product. It just says Anastasia Beverly Hills Cantaloupe lip gloss. So that's what that is. And that was the reason I chose this one is because they had a couple of choices and I was able to get that. So, and here's what the box looked like. But again, I mean, we got a couple other things that we wanted for the credit, but I thought it was really cool that they had that option. So I'm going to use everybody's favorite tool to open the box, a pen. It's a good pen too, so let's hope I do it accurately. I just don't have scissors to hand all the time, and I really should because I have enough pairs of them to do that. Ooh, I almost knocked over my ring light. Let's see what this is. This is not FabFitFun. This is Natural Life. Let me talk to you a little bit about how Natural Life is a mixed bag for me. First of all, I love every single one of their products. Let's go ahead and say that. They're based in Jacksonville, Florida, I believe. And let's look at the address thingy. It doesn't say. But they're in Jacksonville, Florida, I'm pretty sure. They're an American-based company, and they make really great products, but they're expensive. And so you know what I do? I go and shop the sales. And so that is what I did this time. I shopped the sales, and I got free shipping. They have that as an option a lot of the time, too. And, you know, that can save you a lot of money. So I did that, and Natural Life, let's see, I'm looking. Let me sing to you while we're doing that. It's not on here either, but I'm pretty sure it's Jacksonville. So what I got starts with my little happy bag. This little bag was free for me because of the amount of money that I spent. And it's really cute. These are nice little bags. They have a soft, not soft like fleecy, but they have a softer inside than most plastic shopping bags do. And it's just a little bag, and you could carry that as a purse. Wouldn't that be cute? Little happy bag. In fact, that's probably what I may do because I struggle with grown-up lady purses. Let me make sure this is still going. Yes, it is. I struggle with grown-up lady purses, so this might be a good purse for me. And then at the end of the video, I think I'll show you one more thing from the FabFitFun deal. I don't know if we have both things in here, but anyway. ADD for me, I digress. So this is, I'm not sure what that is. We'll look at that in a minute. But I got these super soft sheets. These sheets were really what I wanted. And I got the sheets and the shams. These are shams. But I got 2 sheet sets. And for a queen size bed, oh, they're so soft, and I haven't even washed them yet. As if I'm gonna wash them. My husband will be the one. But I love this cottagey, boho kind of look. That's kind of how we decorate. And this is the cotton sheet set, queen fitted flat, and 2 pillowcases, 100% cotton. Oh, it's the so soft version. They're so comfortable feeling. I've wanted these for a long time, and they were $49.50 for a whole set. And we needed a couple of sheet sets, and so I got 2. And to be honest, that's not much more than I would spend. I'll reference some regular store prices below when I'm editing the video. But aren't these pretty? Look at those patterns. I just think those are so pretty, and that's kind of our jam, is that look. My husband and I both enjoy that. And here's one of the standard sham sets that I got. These were a good deal too. I can't remember exactly how much I spent on those, but I will put it on the screen when I figure it out. Because I showed you everything. Now these are in plastic, so I don't know how well you can see that. But I love when the designs have little spriggies on them. Not the big floral designs are not really my thing. I do think they're pretty, but for my choices, I like the spriggy ones that have all different kinds of colors on them. So I just bought what was available, the patterns that were available in the sale. And that was something that I thought would work out, just in case you're wondering what the... Oh, that's not going to come off there. Never mind. So these are the sheets. Here's one set. Here's the other set, and I'll try to reference the actual names of the designs. And then here, is a sham. And that's kind of retro looking. I like that. And here's another one with all the little spriggy flowers and stuff on it that I showed you before. I just wanted to make sure I was showing you everything. So that's the bag. Those are the sheets. I have another box coming from Natural Life. Y'all, I was kind of, but the sale was so good, and I'll buy this sort of stuff every now and then, and not very often. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, I'm excited. I needed a new brush, and this one was on sale on FabFitFun for $12, and I was like, let's see how good it is. It's a wet dry brush, which is what I need because I don't dry my hair with a blow dryer most of the time. I just air dry it, and so this is that. Isn't that pretty? It's so quality feeling, y'all. It's textured on the back. That design is textured. You can feel it, but it's staying on there. It's not anything that's going to come off. And then it's on, let me go ahead and take this part off. Okay, I'm being a little hyperbolic with that, but that's what the little brush looks like. And it's a nice size, as you can see against my hand, and it'll just, that's perfect. And it's just something pretty to look at when you're putting it out on a table or, you know, on a vanity or just bedside table. And it's really pretty. I needed one, and it was $12, and I would pay that much. Yeah, it's got a cushion. I would pay that much anyways. You can see it's little, I think you can see that, the little pink tipped. I can't see it anymore because of my eyesight. But the little pink tipped thing. I thought that was really cute. And I think that's it for this one. Again, I really love the way that Natural Life products, yeah, that's it. We'll have another one coming up, and I'll be able to share some more tchotchkes with you because I got some other stuff in that one. But I just love the quality of the products. I love the designs of the products. That's really my jam. And I don't know, it's worth it for the sale. Now, would I ever buy anything from them? It's in there. That's not letting me brush the back in. That's not on sale. Probably not. I can't spend that kind of money, even though I love the clothes and stuff. So, you know, some of it is my style, and I think it's all beautiful, even if it's not my style. But I really can't afford to spend the kind of money that I would need to spend. And I'm going to link the site because I do love Natural Life. And I love the fact that they're based in Florida, that they're based not necessarily just in Florida, but in the United States. And that they're employing people who live in the local area and all of that kind of stuff. But, yeah, they're pretty pricey. But if you have the discretionary funds, more power to you, right? So that's that. I'm in love with y'all. I cannot tell you how soft these sheets are. They say they're so soft, and they are. And apparently, every time you wash them, as you probably know from cotton sheets, they get softer and softer and softer. I really wanted to get a bed skirt. Those are a really cute bed skirt, but it's going to have to go on sale. And again, I'm going to link Natural Life, and hopefully if you get to go look at the site, you'll just at least get to see what I'm talking about with the prices. But the sales are good, and I understand when you make a quality product, sometimes it costs more, but that's not necessarily going to be in my budget. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Stay tuned for an Ipsy sale unboxing, not a glam bag, but an actual box of things that I chose from their sale. I hope, again, you enjoyed this so much. Please do like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you know how loved you are, and I hope that you will go in peace and love to serve others.